Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, not a video, stream. And I just finished another stream. It was, I was playing Rogul. Okay, none of my friends are on, rip sadly, except for Red Kid. Go sub to him if you want. 2 concurrent viewers already, okay. That's just weird, I find, like how, let's just start with our scripting. So I just made this whole new base plate. And this video is just like, well, the stream, sorry. The stream's gonna be going over just some of the basics, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to script some crap because, yeah. So I'm just gonna show you guys. The first thing I'm just gonna like maybe just do one thing for now. So first, if you're editing your game and you want to put GUIs into your game, right? Honestly, if you should already know how to do that. You click screen GUI in here, and then you put frame. You can do whatever you want to it now. If you guys want to only see it when you're playing in your game, then it's simple. All you have to do is let's just make a GUI right now. Oh, not a scrolling frame. Let's just make a frame that says. Put it right here. Let's just adjust it like that. I'm going to put a text label in this. And I'm going to put the label right in the middle. And I'm just going to edit this label to say GUI show in game test. GUI show in game test. And I'm just gonna change the font because why not? Because I have too much time on my hands because it's March break for me. And text scaled GUI show in game. Oh, I need to fix that. There we go. Now, my God, I need to fix that. Okay. There we go. So now you have your GUI, just so you can do whatever you want to it, really. Now all you need to do is you click your frame. And then you want to change your frame to something, the name of your frame to something you can do. So GUI hide, wait, no, I'm just going to do GUI show test. GUI show test, so that's the name of our frame. So now what we can do, oh yeah, I need to keep this open. So we're going to insert a script to our game. You can just get rid of all that stuff. And now click on your GUI's frame, and then you're going to go down to the bottom and click visible off so you can't see it. And now you're going to do local GUI. You can give it any name. We're just making it a variable, and a variable is just something that to refer it to something instead of just saying the started GUI, going through that. You can just say it by just saying its name. So we're just going to call this GUI show thingy. I like calling things thingies most of the time. And we're going to put equals. And this is just, now whether we're saying equals, this is what it is. So this local GUI show thingy is equal, so it is in the game, so it's in the game, obviously. And then it's in starter GUI, so we have to go into starter GUI and find it. And it is called screen GUI, because that's the name I gave my GUI. And now you have to find what frame you select for that variable. You can't just make the screen GUI invisible, I mean. And then so we're just gonna go GUI, and it should all automatically go right here, and then enter. And then you can do a local function. And then we're going to do show GUI. This is just what we're naming our function. You can call this anything. And then you want to put a set of parentheses. And then inside these parentheses, you're going to put your name of, first of all, we need to establish that's our GUI. So GUI thingy, because the code runs down like from line 1 to all the way down to line 7 to like a billion. So we have to establish that this is visible equals false. And now we can do GUI wait, but first you actually have to put a weight on there, I think. So let's just put a weight on there, and then you can put this as 0.5 seconds. GUI show thingy, and then you're going to do visible. Oh damn, I did this wrong. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Game, it's the first thing we have to say when a player enters, this thing is going to go. So dot function, I'm gonna try something new. So game dot players dot player added dot colon connect. I could do a function. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a local, and now we can do GUI equals game dot starter GUI dot screen GUI dot GUI show test, and now we can do a local, wait no, I think it's just a function show GUI, set of parentheses, don't put anything in them unless we're doing something else, which I think those are just, I forgot what they are. Now we have to establish again that our GUI, here let's just put, so our GUI dot visible equals false. And let's just put a weight here because why not? Weights, let's just do 0.5 again. And now we can do a GUI dot visible equals true. I think how we call this function is when a player is added, but I think it should just work perfectly like this on team test. It should work. When we're actually playing the game, it should work. So let's just go here. First of all, okay, true. So now, if we publish our game, it should be published. Now we're going to go into the game, and I think it should work now, because you can't see it in the studio, but when you're actually playing the game, I think, yeah, it's not showing because I messed something up. I think the function has to script dot player added colon connect. So now this connects the show GUI function when they, I think it should work now. I think because when the player is added to the game, wait, does it know that I'm in? Okay, let's get rid of this. Here, let's publish this. Publish to Roblox. And then now let's test the game. I don't know if it's gonna work now. I think it should work. This is like, I don't watch tutorials. Like again, see, yeah, there we go. See, now it works. Is because how you call a function is here. I'll just show you what I did technically. So why did that? The top I don't even think we need unless we're using a player added function, which we could put function in the parentheses up there. There we go. So what we did here is we firstly started making a variable for our frame in our screen GUI, and we called it GUI. So the variable is just a shorter name to it's just a different way to call, like it's just a different way to reference something. Like say if I didn't want to say in this game the base plate, I could just say, oh, this whatever name is the game, the base plate. So that's it. Look, we did. We just said that this a local GUI. This is where we're making a function. We're using a local, and we gave it a name. And this our variable right here, our variable name equals game.starter.GUI.screen.GUI.GUI show test. So now that we know our GUI is referring to this, so our GUI in our script is this. And then I just added this weight 0.5. I don't know why I did. Just you can add it if you don't want to add it. I just did. And then I did GUI.visible equals false, and we don't see it in here because that's how I wanted it. You don't see it in the thing until you're actually playing the game on Roblox. And then we made a function. You don't have to make a local function. You just have to make a function and then show GUI, because this function is now calling your GUI and what you want it to do. So whatever's in this function it's changing what's already done to the properties of this GUI, this anything, or doing anything, making an instance, making something new, changing the color or anything, you know what I mean. So now I just made this GUI, which is our frame. So this is our GUI, and I just made it visible. And then I made it visible by saying equals true. And then there's an end. You always have to have an end when you're using functions, local functions, or just a normal function, whatever. And then how we're going to call this is, how we call this function, and calling a function is just, there's no way to actually say, oh, well, I want to do the function now. You actually have to call it. Well, so how we're going to do that is if our script's parent, so it's this, and then this parent is now we're in the game. So now that we're in the game there is all these tabs. So replicated storage, players, lighting, workspace, replicated first, server script service, server storage, starter GUI, starter pack, starter player, teams, sound service, chat, localization service, and test service. So now you have all these things, and these things are technically all in a variable as well. They're all in their own folder, which is the game. And the game is the script's parent, because if the script is in the workplace, it's the script parent is the workspace, and then the workspace parent is the game. So in the game, now that we're saying players, it's going to go, oh, okay, let's go to the players right here. And once there's a player added, like what I'm saying right here, once there's a player added to there, it will connect this function. So a connect means it'll do or like run it. And then in these set of parentheses, you're going to put the name of your function. So technically what this just does is when there is a player added to your game, it's going to call the function. So when there's a player added, your GUI will become visible. So that's just how you make it. So if you have a GUI in your game and you're editing your game, but when you're editing, you don't want your GUI to get in your way, that's just a way to do it. And a lot of people use this as well because it just makes it easier. And if you say, let's just do another thing, let's just put in the screen GUI another GUI like this, put a frame into it. Let's not a billboard GUI. Just put a frame, just move the frame right here. Let's just put it like right there, because why not? And let's just name this frame. Let's just keep it as the name it is, alright? So now we're just going to make this frame non-visible. Let's go into our script, and easily what you just have to do is we're just going to make another variable. So local GUI2. You always have to change the name of your variables or they won't make sense, and the Roblox doesn't do that. GUI2 equals game dot starter GUI dot screen GUI dot. Yeah, so here obviously you have to have, when you're dealing with something like this, you're always going to have to change the name of two of your GUIs because they can't be the same thing or they won't know what GUI you're looking for. So screen GUI dot screen GUI, okay, screen GUI2, and then you can select what you want in there, frame. So now our GUI2 is just this thing right here is GUI2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say GUI2 dot visible equals false. So now we're just saying it's invisible. You can't see it. So the script knows it's invisible. And now we're going to do, we can get rid of that line there. GUI2.visible equals true. And now what we're doing is, you can't see it in here. And I don't even think you're going to be able to see it when you're playing the game. I don't know why it does that. It might work. It might work. I don't know. The last time it doesn't work. It only works when there is a player added to actually Roblox system, like the actual game. So just to show you it works, let's just load up my game. And you can see both of these GUIs are both there, the first GUI and the second GUI. So now let's just leave our game, and we can get rid of both of these GUIs, and we can get rid of this script. So what I just taught you there is just a little thing how to get rid of the GUIs when you're editing your game, and they only go when a player is added to your game. And this is for every player. So I think it should have done local player, but like it's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm going to try to do an instance. So if we just do local my part equals, now I'm going to teach you what instancing is. So instancing is just making a new part. So instance dot new, and when you're using instances, you're making a new part usually. So let's just do part, and then you could, if you wanted to, you could say where the parent is. So see, now when you're putting this little comma here, it's going to ask you, you're now establishing where the parent is. If you wanted game dot workspace, but that's not a good way to do it, because it actually makes it not less efficient. Now what you're going to do is my part dot parent equals game dot workspace. Now you can do a local function, and now you can name this function whatever you want. You can name this function my part spawn, and then put a set of parentheses. Always remember that at the end when you're using any type of function. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do my part colon I think if you just do it like this, dot clone. Clone. Now I think we can do script dot parent dot players dot player added colon connect, and then we're going to connect our function my part spawn. I've never done this before. Don't know if it's going to work. Honestly, like I said, I've never actually, this is just a free run scripting. Okay, it works. See the part spawned. The part spawned right here. So when you're doing something like that, I don't know what I just did right there, but I just cloned the script. So pretty much what I did is I cloned this, and so I cloned it into the game. So yeah, it's confusing what I did here, but if you want to spawn a part, now we can do my part dot brick color equals brick color dot let's make it red. And now we're going to do my part dot transparency equals 0.5. Just to show you that now that we have, like, we made it, I'm going to customize it a bit. And now we should spawn, and there's, yep, there you go. You're going to have a halfway, so a half visible part that is red and transparent. So now you can just go in here. So I just taught you how when a player is added to your game, it connects your function to everything. So I'm going to go through the different types of functions. Like there is a script dot parent dot click detector, and I don't have a click detector as my parent, so like when you're doing this, you have to always have your script in a thing, not in the click detector, but in your model, and then it'll go onto the parent, and then it'll look for the click detector dot yeah, I don't have a click detector on my thing, but you can just use click detector as one, or you can use it when there's a player added. So what type of scripting should we do now? Nobody's in our stream. There's only one viewer in our stream right now. Okay. So if you guys want to learn how to script, it's good to watch this a bit. So I'm just going to show you how to make a basic door. So say you want to make a door. I'm not going to make it look like the Mona Lisa of doors, but you know what I mean. I'm just going to make like a door like that. Let's just make it a little bit pretty. Like I said, let's just make it a little pretty like that. And now let's just color them different. Okay, so now they're all colored black. Okay, so these three parts we're going to, let's just group. And this part right here is we're going to put as the door. We're going to put in the model. And now, first we're going to have to make a variable for our door. So we're going to make a variable by doing local door equals game dot workspace dot model dot door. So now we're going to do a local local function, and now we're going to name this open, and we're going to put a set of parentheses, and now you're going to do, we're just going to put a wait so I can show you guys, because I'm not going to actually put like a click detector or anything, so we're just going to put a wait set of parentheses 20 seconds, and now we're going to do, after these 20 seconds, we're going to do our door dot transparency equals 1 or 0.5, just to show you guys. And then we can do door dot can collide equals false. So now we're just saying you can walk right through it, and so now everything should work. Let's just anchor everything, to be honest, first of all, because you always need to anchor everything once you're making like something like this. So why did a wait 20 seconds? Oh yeah, there is no way to call the function. I forgot, guys. I didn't make it so the function is going to be called, so it will never do the function. How we're going to do this is we're going to do script dot parent dot parent. Oh, I messed something up here. I need to make that capital. script.parent.parent dot players dot player added connect, and then we're gonna connect our open thing. So now this should connect our thing. So we have 20 seconds. So once there's a player added, we have 20 seconds. And once we get added, we have 20 seconds to get to the model to show you guys. So I have 20 seconds. It takes 20 seconds till the door opens. Because now that there is a player added into the players, as you can see right here, I mean, there's something that's there added. I said it'll call the function, it'll wait 20 seconds. There you go. Like I said, it was there, it called the function, wait 20 seconds, and then boom, you can walk right through it. Like that. So that's how you do like that. And we can just get rid of this script. We can get rid of our poor old door. So I won't need it anymore. Let's just see if there's any comments on this stream right now. Okay, no, there's not. But here, let's see. What else could I do for scripting? Because I did functions. Okay, maybe I can show you guys a while loop. So a while loop is just, or no, maybe I should show you an if first and then a while. So if, this is an if argument. So if 5 plus 2 equals 7, do, or I think it's then actually. Oh yeah, and when you're doing an if statement, you always have to have two, wait, what did I do? Unexpected, okay. When you're doing an if statement, you always, or when something equals something like that, you always have to have 2 equal signs. Remember that. So now this is almost like a function. It's going to make your own function. So if 2, then instance dot new part, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do part oh yeah, if we want, we could actually make, firstly, before we even do something like that, we have to firstly make a variable for our thing. So local my part equals instance.new part. Now we're going to do my part dot parent equals game dot workspace. Now we're going to do part dot. So now what it's going to do is if 5 plus 2 equals 7 equals 7, so it's equals 7, then local, now we're making a variable, my part equals instance dot new parentheses. Inside the parentheses you want a set of quotation marks and then your whatever you want to put into your game. And then if the script runs correctly, it's all say, just to show you guys, the part should be cloned. There you go. But if 5 plus 2 equals 8, which it is not true, it doesn't equal that, then the script should say, oh, well, it's not true, we're not doing this, it's not going to run it. So there should be no part in my game. Exactly. There is no part. Except for my base plate, which is this, and that's not qualified as a part. So you can see that's what an if statement is. So if you can use these in a lot of different things, or if let's just say if game dot lighting dot time of day equals here, let's just say let's just say 15 colon 0 0 colon 0 0. If the time equals 15 like that, which it is not, there shouldn't be a part. I don't know how. I've never done it with the time, but yeah, see, there is no part. But if I go into the lighting, and if I change it to, say, 15 colon 0 0 colon 0 0, it should run the part. Oh, where'd it go? Let's try that again. So if it is that time, let's just make it 15. Oh, again, I probably messed it up. Yeah, okay, I messed it up. I just want to show you guys it just some way without the weight. Here, I'm going to get rid of the weight, and we're going to put a... $15. So now, once we're in the game, wait 15. It's going to wait 15 seconds. So we have 15 seconds to go into the lighting and change it to 15. And now it should wait 15 seconds, and then it should say, well, is it 15 right now? Oh, it is. Then we should place it, I think. Any time. I must have done something wrong. So if the time is, maybe if I just do 15. How about I do... Well, maybe it was this. Maybe it was just that I had 2 spaces. I don't know if it could have been that. It could have been that. Could have been that. Could have. 15. Let's do this quick. Time of day. 15. Come on, spawn the part. I've never done scripting like this. I've never done it with time. I don't know how you're supposed to say it. Okay, it didn't work. So maybe if I just do 15. Okay, if I just do this, maybe. Lighting equals game dot. Okay, 15. Now the day is 15, and in 15 seconds, or 10 exactly, maybe, there should, I think, should be that, you know what, okay, I think we went over the basics of how the if statement goes, or the if argument. But, anyways, how about we just do it in a way so I can actually show you how it works. So, if the game lighting equals 15, which I'm going to change right now. So 15. If the game lighting equals 15, we're going to it should wait 15, and then it should spawn that little part. And by the way, guys, do you like my character? He is fully black. Yeah, and I made him really small. So come on. Okay, okay, guys, you obviously get what I mean by the if statement, but okay, let's get rid of this wait, because I don't think you have to wait for anything. If game, that time of day equals 15, it should spawn the part. So let's just try this now. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, you know, it's not working. Probably because okay, forget about that. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, I love this stuff. I love while loops. So while is just while true. So this is just something if you wanted to do loop that's constantly loop, you're gonna do while true do, and then instance instance dot new. So you can do anything with this. This is technically a loop because true is always true, and if it's not true, say if it was false, if I change that to false, then yeah. Okay, so let's just do part. It wouldn't run it. But if I change this to false, it wouldn't do it. So if I do this now, and then if I do, I think I can't make a parent if it's not like a local variable for it. So let's just do game dot workspace. Now I think if we do, wait, before we run that, that'll run way too quick. Wait, and then we're set a parentheses, and then in that we're gonna put 0.5. So this won't, if you just did it without a wait, it would probably crash your game, and I think I did that once before, and it literally just destroyed my whole entire studio. Yeah, as you can see, it's loop spawning, it's loop making parts everywhere, as you can see. If I wanted this to go faster, then they're all going into the same part, into the same place. 0.1 seconds. This might crash my Roblox studio. Oh. No, it's not crashing, but you can see it's a freaking fun mechanic to play around with, man. It's just constantly spawning blocks everywhere. It is a really fun mechanic to play around with. I love doing stuff like this with this. Literally, it's really fun. Honestly, it looks like just like noodles, like long spaghetti noodles. I want to see if I can get on top of it. Let's see. Oh, I almost did it. There we go, guys. So you can see this is a pretty fun mechanic. We have tons of blocks everywhere, and yeah. And now if I wanted to do something, instance, I'm going to see if I can do this. Instance dot new fire game dot part. Oh, this is probably going to be wrong because okay, let's just, there should be fire on every part, I think, maybe now, hopefully. Oh, yeah, there is. Holy crap. Oh, no, okay. There's only one of them. It was the only first one. Ooh, look at that. I'm on fire. Yeah, but this is an insanely fun mechanic to just play around with, obviously. Okay, the fire doesn't work. I want to know if there's a way to put it in everything. Game dot. Yeah, I don't think there is a way. But yeah, guys, you can definitely see this is a really fun thing to just mess around with. I can go to space with it. Yeah, it literally, it's so fun. It's really fun to mess around with. Yeah, so, yeah, look at that. Look at what we made. You can make anything with this, guys, literally. You can make probably anything, really, if you wanted to. Yeah, but look at that. Look at that. That's just amazing. That's it. You want to know how much parts are in my game? That's how much parts are in my game. It just keeps going. I think if I do this now, no, I can't. But Just look at that, guys. Oh my god, okay. It's liking up my Roblox way too much. Okay, yeah, let's stop that. Delete that script. You never want to see that script again. Script. Let's insert a script. Yeah, this is just my basic tutorial on how to script, pretty much. Hope you guys liked it. I'm not ending it yet. Hopefully. I'm not gonna. So I've been almost streaming for 30 minutes or some. So maybe I should. I don't know what I can show you. I showed you if statements. I showed you functions. I showed you variables. I showed you a lot of stuff, quite a bit, and mostly just like, look, pretty much. I didn't do much of a tutorial on everything. I literally just, like, I don't know how to explain it that good, but I showed you guys pretty much like how to how would I say this? How to I don't know how I'd say that, but like, yeah, I showed you guys a whole bunch of stuff you can do with all these things, and I showed you, well, the main thing, like, I showed you while loops, I showed you functions, I showed you how to hide, and how to hide the GUI thing. That was a whole bunch of things by itself. Yes, and also in like the instancing, I showed you guys how to instance. Yeah, that's quite a bit of scripting in one video. So you guys can go try out all these things I've taught you today. There's probably a whole bunch more that I am not using. Like Vector 3, I'm not getting into Vector 3. I still don't even know partly how to use Vector 3. Like, I know how to use Vector 3, but like, I just don't like using it. Like, I don't know. I don't like choosing where my parts go. And usually when you're scripting, you only do, like, it just depends. Just when you're scripting, you can let your mind run wild, and you can do whatever you want, really. So, yeah. Go script. Go make some epic things. Go lag out your computer with that while loop. Okay, I don't know what else I can do for scripting right now. Maybe, let's see. My mic even on? Okay, my mic is on. Just gotta make sure sometimes. If you guys want to learn how to script and you want to know how to script more, and then here, how about I show you guys something right now? How about I show you guys something? So I'm gonna show you a bit more of instancing, or I've never tried to do this before, but let's just do it. So we're going to do a function, and we're going to do GUI, and we're going to call this function GUI. Set of parentheses always, and we're going to do instance dot new, and we're going to do screen GUI, and now we have to do the screen GUI dot parent is game dot start GUI, and now we're also going to make another thing. Screen. Oh yeah, so game dot y dot oh yeah, I'm probably gonna have to put a wait here. Screen GUI. Wait, no, I have to do that better. Instance dot new dot frame. Then the frames dot parent is game dot started GUI dot screen GUI. Okay, now let's do script dot parent dot players dot player added colon connect GUI. So now we should have our GUI made that has a frame. I've never done this before. As you can see, there is a frame. So in this frame, yeah, you can see it's right here. The frame is right here, bro. It's right here. I don't know why it's not visible. Is the frame visible? Frame visible? Frame visible? Oh yeah, first of all, you probably have to make that frame visible. Maybe I have to make it visible. Okay, now game dot GUI dot screen GUI dot frame dot visible equals true. I think now if it works properly, it should be visible. Oh my god, man. Like I said, I've never done this, any type of crap like this before. Is it visible? I don't know why it's visible. Not visible. I don't know. I don't know if it's transparent. No, it's not transparent. It's not transparent. Active. It's active. I want it to be active. Yeah, active. Visible. Come on. I don't know why you can't see it, but honestly, there you go, guys. There you go. You can have your thingy in your thingy. It's right here. Here, maybe I just need to publish it. So let's see if it'll work now. So if I go to my thingy and I go and play my game, I think you should be able to see the thingy because of the bingy thingy. I thinky. Okay, now you can't see it because it's like off the screen, but anyways, that's your script right there. Boom. That's how you make screen your eyes, put places, and put frames in them. And of course, it didn't have a size because I didn't size it because I didn't want to. And yeah, that's scripting in a nutshell. And yeah, please leave a like on the video if you did enjoy it. Well, it's not. The video is probably not over, but let's just see if one of my friends needs help making their game yet. Nobody's on. Yeah, nobody's online right now. That sucks. Okay, well, I'm sad. I'm sad. Very sad. Yeah. Let's just go to my messages. So yeah, since I'm a developer on my Blocks JS123Pies Blockstown game, I'm going to be showing you guys what this game actually is. Honestly, it's pretty fun. It's pretty good. Yeah, so this is a game. It's almost like Meep City. Here, let me just show you guys. And I need to work on my scripting here, guys, because literally, I only tested all like what I showed you guys last night, pretty much, and you can't even see your script in game, which sucks. But you can only see it when you're actually playing the game. So what happens right here is when you're, let's just play the game. I'll show you guys really quick. Is my friend on? No, he's not on. He's not on. Okay, I'm sad in life. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so when you play the game, it won't work in Studio because when you're playing Studio, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I did this little cash thing for him, and I have 100 cash, and let's just say, add me cash, say 99. See, I have 1,099 because I added my cash to 999. So what I did is it reads it, it updates every time, and it reads it, and it says, oh, you got that amount of money. Well, well then I'm going to say how much money you have right here. And the only thing I wanted to change really was this like the color of it. I'll try to change that for him later. Oh no, shut up, computer thing. And this took me forever to make. This is a thing where it says this game was made by Jace123Pi, Not Limes, WinDaisy, and some others, because some others might help. And yeah, so this is his game really. Me and him spent so much time working on this. I made the teleporters. I made all the teleporters for his thing. So the furniture shop, it like turns black there, and then you go into the furniture shop. And he made the furniture shop. He made an epic furniture shop. It looks amazing. This game's supposed to be like Meep City, and I also made the teleporter back, which looks really good. Oh, it's so fancy. The plaza was where the houses are going to be done. Like we didn't do the houses yet. They're going to be done soon. The plaza, the Sunrise Bloxy. Oh yeah, the plaza was supposed to be like all, wait, the plaza's not the houses. The plaza is supposed to be, yeah, why didn't we do the plaza? Yeah, this is the plaza. I don't think we even did the teleporter here yet. I don't even think I did it. Yeah, but this is the plaza. It's got the cafe. We're still working on the cafe inside. Still working on the pizza inside. And we're still working on the ice cream inside. So we made this. I made this with him. I made it, add a cherry on top as well. The cherries usually falls, but I fixed that. The cafe I made all by myself, man. It looks pretty good, to be honest. And the pizza place me and him made together. I made this like the actual pizza thing, this little pizza thing right here, and he made the eyeballs are coming off, but that's what we need. He made the pizza sign. He made the building. It looks amazing. You guys can come play this game once it is finished. It's not finished yet though. And what we're going to be adding was these houses over here, and you were supposed to pay like amount of money to get it. I forgot what it was though. So yeah, and this is Sunrise Bloxy over here. It hasn't teleported because we did this one. I did Sunrise Bloxy. It's just pretty much a beach, and it teleports you to the beach. Sunrise Bloxy is pretty cool. It's got palm trees. It's got this nice water that we made, and you can just chill around at Sunrise Bloxy, and yeah, you can have a good time. This just Sunrise Bloxy took a really long time to make for some reason. I don't know why it did, but yeah, it took us quite a bit of time to make. So yeah, technically this is the game so far, and what I need to do right now is I need to fix the freaking stupid these cash things. I need to make them look wonderful. I need to make them look grand, because right now they're just white and they don't look that good. They don't have that much texture or anything in them. So we're going to be fixing that today by going to the credits. We gotta go onto the frame. Wait, no, not the credits. Money GUI. The cash, we're going to have to visible, and the cash amount visible. Inside this text label, we're going to have to copy the text label, because the cash amount we're going to have to be getting rid of. Sorry, cash, but time to go. Hopefully I saved that, or I am screwed. So let's just make it about the same size as we would. Make sure it's just perfect like that. Okay, now we have to customize it. I don't know what color I should do. Probably red. No, doesn't look too good. Maybe I should do red. Yeah, let's just do red for now. And in this frame, we're going to do Shift B. And now that we have our text label in here, text label. Text label should be right in the middle. That's how we want it, right? Okay, text label, done. Now what we need to do is we have to the script's in there already. The script's already in there. Now our frame here. Technically, we should probably background color for this, maybe. Let's just shrink this a bit down. Right there, right there. No, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. It needs to be perfect. There we go. Is that perfect? It's perfect. Perfect enough. Okay. Now we're going to go here, go into my plugins. We're going to get that Roundify plugin, and we're going to roundify it, because roundifying makes it beautiful. Go like that. Now we have a roundified GUI, and we have our crap in here, and it's going to say our money. So now we have to redo the cash GUI. Text label. Yep. And get rid of that cat. Pretty much the only thing I need right in here is the C, and we're going to put it in Control B, because now this frame is going to be called the cache. To be honest, I kind of forgot what you call those in those scripts. So GUI, I have to open my GUI visible script, and let's get rid of that out of the workspace, and let's go back down to the GUI. Actually, close the workspace. I just need to keep that script open, right? The money GUI is 30GUI.money.cash, cash amount, cash amount, okay, cash amount, cash amount. Cash amount, is that what I called it? That's what I called it. Yeah, I called it that, exactly. Okay. So now we just need to call this thing cash. Oh yeah, need to delete, because I just remembered that I have to redo that all over again, because I hate leave. So this, and let's shrink it down to about what the size was. Okay, exact. Perfection. Okay, that should be perfect. Now what we need to do is, I think maybe he would like, what color? Cash. And now we're going to add a text label. Where would you put the text label? There we go. Shrink that label down like this, man. Just like that. Nope, I don't want the map borders. I want that text label right there. Nope, not the map borders. Again, close that, and put it terrifically. The background color should be nice border color. Source hands. We need this cartoon. Source hands, no cartoon. This cartoon. Okay, good. Cash map. No frame. Cartoon. Okay, let's get this saying cash. Cashmoney.ca. Cash cartoon line height, text color. That looks good. That looks good. Text size, text scaled. That's what we want. Now, if I did this all correctly, we call it. Name this thing. Get the plugin roundify. There you go. Now we have a roundified thingy, mobobber, and we can close this, make them both non-visible. Don't want to see them, and you can close that up. Publish to Roblox. Now, if we did it correctly, there should be different colors, and they should look a bit nicer because I want them to look nice. I don't want them to look like trash, and I don't want him. Yeah, okay, but it's just yeah. See, yeah. So the color changing worked perfectly. I have 100 cash. Let's just see. Add me cash 200, 300 cash. There you go. Now I have 300 cash. Boom, look at that. So we're going to be adding a way to get cash. So I have 300 cash, and it will even say I have 300 cash. It looks a bit better than just being white. Then you have the credits button bar down here. And this game was made by Jace123Pi, Not Limes, WinDaisy, and some others, because some others might want to help this game as well. But yeah, maybe I should start working on the, I don't know what I should be doing, because I was the scripter. Like, I didn't actually want to be, like, doing anything else in the building. But, I think, who was doing the inside of the cafe? Oh, yes, Jace was. Jace was doing the inside of the cafe. I think we should probably have, like, a cash register or something. What is that? Jay's doing some like epic designs. Those are some. I think that's just designing right there. I think Jace was doing some designing. Wow, that's pretty good, Jace. I like that. Okay. Well, I think we should just get a cash register. Cash. Machine. Cash machine. Is that what we're gonna call it? Cash register. Low poly cash register. No way this thing actually works. If it did work, that would be pretty cool. Restore stripped. Yep, it would come out interactive. I just want literally a cash register that looks okay. Like maybe a low poly cash register, or whatever you want to call that thing. But okay, that actually looks pretty good. To be honest, that looks like pretty good. That looks like something you would have at a cafe. Maybe have 3 cash registers so we could have 3 per people working there. So now I need to establish that. Okay. Does that look better? No, that doesn't look better. Let's just have that thing stick out. You can't even see it anyways. Okay. Why is this thing having a tantrum, right? Why are you having a tantrum, bro? Stop having a tantrum. Yeah, why do these fit and you don't? You suck. Okay, they're out just a bit. Nobody's gonna notice that. Nobody's gonna care about that. Yeah, nobody's gonna care about that. I don't know how that one's so perfect, though. Maybe I should just turn off my move and just maybe, like, move them back a bit. Maybe move them back like that. Yeah, that looks quite a bit better. Okay, let's turn my move back on. Because I like having my studs. I like doing everything with studs. It just makes it a little more even. So now, hopefully this thing doesn't have bottom thumbnail camera. Go to thumbnail camera. Base. Okay, all these cash registers are non-infected, which is amazing. Okay, none of them are infected. So now that we have this, the cash registers, I'm going to be importing a click for money script because I actually don't know how to do one of those. Click to get money GUI. Wait. Click GUI. Wait. Money click update. I think this is the thing. Wait, let's see what's inside of this first. Ungroup stats. Money click. Script.parent.clickDetector.mouse.click.click.value. Okay, then we're going to do cash. There. Now if I go into .c, I can get rid of this. Go to this cash register, the bottom. Do the main. So the main should be so now that it's all into the top. So how would you do that? Okay, so V. Let's see. Skip to parent clicks connected to connects out local players that came to play with playing on the local players on the loose side. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. This probably won't even freaking work, to be honest. You know, we don't know. You never know. You never know. Okay, so let's just go fly. Let's fly over there to see if it works. So their cache did not change. Nothing's changed. Everything works perfectly right now. Okay, I should get rid of that wait there, that wait that I had on the script. But yeah, everything works. Oh, damn. Please don't respond. Please respond. Please respond. Okay, good. Okay, money click. I'm gonna have to get rid of this wait that's right here because you don't need it there. We probably just do one right here. And I can do wait. And then wait. I think what this is going to do is it should let me, before every time it's clicked. Okay, let's just publish this to Roblox, to be honest. Like, everything should work perfectly. Like, I'm getting money from it. Okay, I found a way to do the register and how to get money from it. Okay, dude, it's not the most painful part. Just finding out how to get money off from like the cash register. But like I want to do like maybe even a cooldown. So like okay, it's not working. Yeah, okay, it works. But Maybe if I don't know where I should put it. Oh, maybe I should put it at the end. So maybe it'll take 3 seconds until it'll end, because it stays on that thing for 3 seconds, and then it'll go on to the end. So for then, you can't call that script again, I don't think, until it's ready to be called. So if I just go and click fly, like that, there we go, I'm flying. Let's just go fly away to the cash registers. By the way, thank you, Jace, for making the best looking inside for this freaking cash register. Okay, we got a problem then, because I don't think there's a way to cool it down. Maybe I should... Oh, man, somebody's calling me right now, man. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm working. I'm streaming right now, and also working on Jace's game.
Well, yeah, I am playing on the non-potato computer at my grandma's. Yeah. My very non-potato computer.
Here, I don't know how to do this because I'm trying to find out a way to make like a click cooldown. Cause like I made it so the cash registers you can like get money from it now. Like when you click it, you'll get cash.
Oh, so you can't just like spam click it?
Yeah, but
Not auto.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to figure out a way to do that. I've been looking.
Cause I'm gonna click edit so I can help you edit the game.
Yeah.
Edit.
I don't know. Literally, yeah, it's not freaking working, man. Like, there is no way. I might as well just use it. Maybe I'm just look for like possibly even a free model offline for a quick cooldown. So I literally cannot find one. Like the cooldown. Okay, what is this? This what? Okay. Yeah, I literally cannot find a quick cooldown. You guys can help me with this click cooldown if y'all know how to make a click cooldown. Just let me know. And local players are game.players find first child player.name. The local players find first child .leaderstats.cash.clicks.value.
Wait, can I just say something? I might have accidentally I used the crash command on Wyatt.
Dope.
I was like, hey Wyatt, want to see the crash command? And then he just said, please do not use the crash command again. Because when I did it, he just straight up cut out on Discord. Like, I couldn't even hear him. So, yeah, I think, yeah, I think something happened.
Here, I'm testing something right now. Maybe this will work. Maybe it's just that it'll slow down the money. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know how to make a click cooldown, man. It's... I might have done it. I don't know, man. Like I've been trying this for a while as well. Let's see.
Wait, you know how I'm doing a mansion? Is it possible possible to do like a double door, like 2 doors instead of just one? Actually, that's a really stupid question. It's probably really easy. But then again,
Well, I added a cool, like, not a cooldown, but like, it takes 2 seconds and it'll give you the money. I don't know if Jace will want that. Maybe it'll make some people like, I don't know, people that are gonna auto click on this game. Well, they have trash, and we'll figure out a how to make a click slowdown. Whoa. Wait, what's this house, bro? When did we make this? Oh yeah, this is the mansion, I think, right?
Yeah.
Ugh. That money. Ugh. No. I like your texturing on the money, but fix that, please. That looks disgusting. We need to fix that. It literally looks like some kid went with spray paint on Paint 3D and did that. But like, I like your texturing. I love your texturing. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not using that as our money symbol, to be honest. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Do do do. Bum 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 bum. We're still gonna need like there's so much to do. The teleporters are the saddest thing that I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to like, cause I'm gonna have when I'm making the teleporters. What happened to the coffee giver? What did he do with the coffee giver? Wait. Starbucks latte. He got rid of the stupid Starbucks giver. Oh my god, Jace. Dude, literally, that's the only star. Yeah, now we don't even have the Starbucks giver. He got rid of that. Starbucks giver. Oh my god. Jace just deletes crap, man. Don't ever delete that again, Jace. Please don't delete that, man. Oh my god, and I can't even find it. I can't even find it. I can't even find it. What is Jace even? Oh my god, he got rid of it. Got rid of the stupid thing. The Starbucks latte giver was the actual only thing that ever freaking worked. Yeah, then he got rid of it. It was on top of the freaking furniture, and he got rid of it. Why'd he get rid of it? I think there was yeah, it's, okay, he put it right here, but he changed the name of it. Oh my god, man. Don't change the name of crap like that. Okay. Instructions. Okay, now in here. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm gonna find local players. I came to find first child name. Player.localclicks. .c. If I place this into the script, minus, there we go. Okay, I think somebody just called me on Discord, or said something on Discord. Who messaged me? Who did? Okay, nobody messaged me. That's you. Okay, let's see. Fly. Oh, yep, fly. There we go. Okay, it works. It works. Okay, that's cool. Dude, I made it so, oh, dude, that's cool. Okay, I made it so when you buy, a latte, it takes away some of your money. Like, it takes away $10 when you buy a latte. There we go.
That's cool.
That's...
Life range.
Okay, well, there we go. So now I know the minusing and the adding the script thing, so we should be good. Should be good, everything's gonna work. Cause, okay, I don't know what I should do now. Maybe I should, I don't know, we should paste the blocks giver, or the star blocks. Yeah, where,
This is on that currency. Roblox is an online currency. Parents wanting to ban kids from playing Roblox because it's so and so bad.
okay, is that your Discord going off? I can hear it. It's weird.
It might be. But I don't hear anything, so...
It's not me. Oh no, it is me.
So I grouped the mansion. I want a mansion works. No. Bring this NPC far, far away. So you're intending this to be like Deep City, except the neighborhood.
I can't hear you. Your mic is glitching out a bit, dude.
I was saying, is this plan to be basically just Meep City, but all the neighborhoods probably get...
I still can't hear you. And no, it's not supposed to be Meep City. It's supposed to be like Meep City, but not Meep City.
a new house like comes out of the ground and it has like construction noises indicating that it's being built. Like it'll just like slowly phase out of the ground as there's construction noises.
Okay, I made something. It works pretty good. I think I just finished. Okay, I got the cash registers finished, so all of them you will collect money from. And I just made it so when you buy a Starbucks latte, it'll take away your money.
Where do you get a Starbucks latte?
At the shop. Here, go play. Like,
Okay,
go on
play.
Go on team test.
Oh, okay.
On team test, you can see the cash and everything and how it works. And I've never actually seen the cash, like how it. Like I've seen the cash, like, and I've also changed the cash, the way it looks, because it looked just disgusting. It was just white normally. I don't know if Jace wants me to change it again to whatever he wants it to be like, but I can do that, no problem. Here, turn on fly, or I'll just TP you to me.
Wait, no. I have admins.
There you go.
Pretty sure it kills you, the TP.
No, it doesn't. I just TP'd you to me. There, now click Starbucks. Click the Starbucks latte. Now look at your money.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Now look at your money.
What happens if I click these? Ew.
Yeah, you get money. And guess what? Yeet! Oh, dude. Oh my god. Oh, you're lucky. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna test it to see if it actually, like, works perfectly. Okay, the money thing, like, on the money thing, the money GUI is a little slow, but that's fine, that's fine. Whoa, what happened? Why are you getting less money? Are you getting
Because
money?
I'm spamming Starbucks. Because I'm spamming Starbucks latte.
Oh, dude, that's a bug.
People could get infinite things then.
What do you mean, infinite things?
Because I could just go backpack, big, Starbucks latte. Actually, no. But like,
Yeah, but
that
can
is
you,
a bug.
if they could buy anything, no, they can't buy anything with minus. So if it's in the minuses, they're in debt. They owe the bank money. Just don't tell Jace the bug, but because they probably couldn't buy anything if they were minus. Like, I'm gonna try to fix that. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. Wow, that's a big bug. That's really bad, man. Oh, they can't equip it though. If they don't have enough money, they can't equip it. Okay, that's good. They can't equip it if they don't have enough money. Dude, okay, that's okay, dude. They can't equip it if they don't have enough, like if they're in the minuses. So pretty much, we fixed that problem. Okay, well that was some good scripting.
I just, what about the houses and whatnot?
Still didn't.
Houses and whatnot?
What about the houses? We're not.
Pause, I don't-
Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't put that house there. Put it back. Put it back. We're not moving that in. Yep. And holy crap, you put a lot of windows.
It's a mansion.
You don't need that much windows. Like that window you don't need. You don't need symmetry as well. Here, you should get rid of that window. Probably move this one up a bit. More like here.
Then I'll be in the middle of the floors. But hey, it's a cartoon.
This. Why is the door not... Okay. Well, that you don't need that much... Oh my god, that's ugly. The sides. Yeah, you don't need that much windows. But I do like the house. It looks pretty nice.
But I think we need a bigger plaza.
What do you mean, bigger plaza?
Cause like, what if like 5 people buy this big mansion? Cause like, go check out the.
Do you even know what the plaza is? That's not the plaza.
I thought that was.
This is the
Well,
plaza.
inside the house or whatnot.
This is the plaza.
I like how everything's just dead.
Yeah, I know. The pizza's eyes are coming off.
Well, the neighborhood. Like, I kind of feel like we should make the neighborhood a tad bit bigger.
Why? Yeah, I know we were gonna make it bigger, but we can't.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna have multiple servers, so everybody can just, if they can't buy a house. Oh, and yeah, I know how to make it so when you buy the house, I'm gonna watch a tutorial by Oven Blocks. When you buy the house, it's yours. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna have to find a data save.
What question? When somebody buys the house.
What are you doing? Where are you putting it? Where are you putting it?
And I don't heard me the first time, but I'm showing you. But like, could the house be like it's like being
I can't even hear you. Your mic is glitching
it's
out.
like slowly coming out of the ground.
No, I'm not. No, I can't do that. Just please put the house down. The house did nothing to you. No, 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 come back. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. All the way up. All the way up, not halfway up.
Okay, all the way up.
All the way up.
Wait, I forgot to group it.
Oh God,
Oh
don't,
no, I got.
don't. You're gonna lose the model. You're gonna lose it.
There, better. There was this part.
You wanna know something funny? Go on team test. Go on team test. And look at your house. Go on team test and look at the house. It looks funny.
Oh, we get. Don't worry, I bet I can fix it with Betul.
Wait, why is my team
With
test not working?
Betul.
Okay, now it's working. Okay, go on team test.
Yes, I'm almost on team test. All we need is a bit of Betul.
Wait, just wait a minute. Just wait. I'll just teleport you to me, bro.
I'm flying.
Yeah, I know, but you suck at flying. I'm faster, huh?
Then why am I there?
Huh? What do you mean?
Be too lost.
What did you do?
I unanchored the house.
Oh, trust me, it gets better. Do 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 do. Okay. Oh God. Okay, I'm exiting team test, dude. So what do you think of this game so far? What do you think of it?
It's good.
Like, we
It
spent...
has great potential.
Yeah, that's a good sarcastic voice.
It has great potential. That's a sarcastic voice.
No, they're both sarcastic because you both didn't mean them.
No, I actually do think it has great potential.
Okay, now that's a lie.
I think we'll be good.
Yeah, I believe you. Okay, well, I made the Starbucks latte, I made the cash registers. I don't know what I can do now to help out Jace. Dude, and the cash registers actually look like pretty good. I think I found a good model for them. Like, they look cartoony.
Remember that FNAF idea?
Yeah.
Want to do that again?
No,
Try it again?
I'm not doing
This
that.
time FNAF 1.
I'm not doing that. Again, it's too much parts and everything.
If we make our own model.
I'm not doing that. It's not going to have enough detail. And I would like to see you try. Make your own FNAF model like that. It's really hard, bro.
I'll probably have to make it like really big. Just to make it nice.
Okay.
Well, would that mean the
Jace,
cafe's open now and you could get rid of these? Police line, do not cross police line.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? No! Don't do that.
Question.
You can.
Why
You
is
don't
a
have to ask
cafe
questions. Just ask questions. Like, you don't have to say question. Proceed.
Fine. Why is the police tape on the cafe?
Because that's the only tape that look like the tape that they don't want you to cross. Or
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, goddamn right, fair enough.
I need to get my plug-in for my iPad.
hey, you want fair enough? I'll give you fair enough. Is that fair enough for you? Is that fair enough? I need an arm, I need a bomb, 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 I need a Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the stream.
Want to play?